This is Marvin Gilig. Hey there! Does Laguindingan ring a bell? Here is what you need to know about the famous International Airport in northern Mindanao. Before it housed the now famous airport in the province and served the people here and across the country's borders. It is known as a hideout of robbers, pirates, and bandoleros because of the once thick forest covering the municipality. Its name came from the words daligdigan, coined from the words daligdig, meaning trickling water from Soloan Creek, and digan, a burri plant which was used by the early settlers as roofing and walling materials. Later on, it evolved into Laguindingan because it is easier to pronounce and has a melodious sound. At the present, Laguindingan Misamis Oriental is now the new gateway to northern Mindanao. It operates in 15 barrios of Cagayan de Oro City and the whole town and barangays of Talakag, Bukidnon, and portions of barangays in Iligan City. So, fly high in Laguindingan. And that's 60 seconds. I'm Marvin Gilig. See you next week.